DJI Osmo Action 4. Let's unbox it. Alright, this time I have the standard edition and not the adventure combo because I already have Osmo Action 3 adventure combo and I have enough batteries and whatnot. Alright, let's see what's inside. Let me peel those nice peel tabs. Oh yeah, these are always nice. It says it opens from the side. Okay, so what do we have in the box? We've got some video editing apps, some silica, the camera, and accessories. Let's see what accessories we get in the standard kit. There we go. Safety guidelines. That's what I think about safety guidelines. A quick start guide, that could be useful. Some other paper. Ooh, some stickers. Those are always nice. This screwy bit and a C2C cable. I have a ton of those. And then we get a cage. Let's see if this cage is nicer than from the Action 3. This is the old cage and this is the new cage. They have changed the colors. This is about the same. This is the same. This is the same, and the build quality is about the same. Anyway, hopefully I won't be using this as I have a normal cage, so let's just toss that out. The website says this is Osmo Action lens hood. Why would an action camera need a lens hood? I don't know. Oh, okay, I see. If the lens protector is damaged, temporarily replace it with lens hood. And the camera won't be waterproof. Okay, then we get the mount, a curved helmet mount, battery. This uses the same batteries as the old camera, so that's good. With Osmo Action 3, they used to include this big sticky mount. That's no longer there. And now for the main event, the camera itself. Let's do the glorious peel now. Oh yeah. This camera has a different sensor from the Osmo Action 3, so this means that the lens protector that I bought for Osmo Action 3 cannot be used on Osmo Action 4. What can you do? Let's see what they've changed. As you can see, the top part has changed. There's dots here and there's some dashes here. This side is about the same, and the bottom, I like the bottom on the old one more. It seems a little bit more rugged rather than this texture. The old one is rubberized, the new one is not, it's plastic. I don't know if that's gonna affect anything. So this side is also almost the same. They've only changed the accents again. The front is about the same. Also, Action 3 has this rubber ring on the lens protector and Action 4 does not. It has only a plastic lens protector. Can I take this one off and put it on this one? Sorta works. Yeah, okay, the outer size is still the same. Let's see if Action 4 fits in the old cage for Action 3. I think that there shouldn't be any problems here. I am glad to announce that you can use the cage for Osmo Action 3 on Osmo Action 4. However, I only have this one Ulanzi cage. I'm not sure if other cages will fit, so don't blame me if it doesn't. And let's pop a battery inside this bad boy and see what we get. Doop, doop, doop. English. Yes, please. Activate before use. Yes, I remember this part from the last time. I need the DJI Mimo app. I can of course skip it, but I will try to register. Connect. Accept. Agree to sell your soul. Allow DJI to access. No, don't get my blah blah blah. No. Cancel. Oh. Oh shit. Okay, let's sell our soul to Chinese. Send. Login. Ugh. Jesus Christ. I think I've used my Apple last time. Ah, private really, baby. User feedback. I just bought this camera. What kind of feedback do you want? Let's see. I am a... What am I? Am I a content creator? Am I a tech enthusiast? Am I both? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see, content creator next. Well, that wasn't short. Okay, activation successful. Get started. Nope, don't turn off. Alright, reset daytime, confirm. I think this should be set up on the... Hello! Let me pop an SD card in there and let's see what the quality is. Oh, that seemed a little bit quicker than the old one. Format, swipe to format, and let's wait for it to format. Boom, successful. Okay, connect back. Join. That took a long time, but we are in. Let's record and see what we have. Boom, boom, whoa, whoa, look at that tech. Wow, so many cameras, there's a TV there. Boom, branding, boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, I'm a YouTuber, look at me, wow. I do extreme sports, wow. Let's shake the camera, wow, 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 wow. Okay, enough playing. D-Log-M, ooh. Oh, I like that. I like D-Log-M. Yeah, I will compare them in those uncomparable color profiles, just because I can. Okay, they should be about same-ish. Okay, let's click record on both. Of course, the angle is a little bit different probably, but let's see which one is better. So here we have the Action 4 and here we have the Action 3. I don't know why Action 3 looks that bad. I don't remember it looking that bad. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. This is not a proper review. Let's continue watching. Let's do some action. Whoa, look at that action. Whoa, so much action. Anyway. Oof. What a douche, right? Okay, so as mentioned, this is a standard combo, but you can get many action combos. So they do have an adventure combo, which will get you one of those sticks, and this one is from my Action 3, and then you get this nice case with 2 extra batteries. Oh yeah, you also get an extra mount. Actually, here it says this one right here is the quick release adapter mount, and with the adventure combo you get another one of those, but this time it's gonna be a mini. Other combos that they have is motorcycling, diving, surfing, hiking, fishing. Well, I guess you can find that on the website yourself. I've been thinking, since I'll be going skiing, I should put this on my helmet. I don't know if it is visible, but this is curved, so I cannot mount it here, and the only place that it's kinda mountable is right here. I guess I'll just have to try it. Ooh. The pressure. Okay, no going back now. Is it? Push real hard. There is this DJI logo here that should be facing forwards. Yeah. Now I look like a proper douche. That's nice. When doing sticker applications, always wait at least 24 hours for the glue to cure. And if you don't wait 24 hours, you might be disappointed because it will not reach its full potential before 24 hours are up. So now you are probably interested in how this fares in real world. So I have to go outside and film something. Thank God I'm going skiing tomorrow. Let's go! Hey there, Editor Reed is here. So what I've noticed is that Action 4 stopped splitting the files like it did with Action 3. Action 3 used to split the video files into 3 46-second segments, and Action 4 no longer does that. So as you can see, I have a clip here of 14 minutes, 8 minutes, and so on. So I am very, very happy because this makes searching for the footage a lot easier. This is just a first impressions video, so don't expect anything too in-depth, but I might be doing a more in-depth comparison between those two cameras. Of course, everybody has already done this like 6 months ago, but I'm a late bloomer, so subscribe if you want to see that.